Hi, this is Chris of Creations by Chris. Designers know appliques can be used to embellish and enhance a garment. Well-chosen appliques can really make an otherwise plain-looking garment pop. But appliques can be hard to find and expensive. This especially is true as more and more fabric stores have closed, especially in my area. So let me show you a DIY life hack: how to make your own appliques from lace.
And here we have a metallic knit fabric, which is going to be used as appliques throughout the outfit. And I'll be showing you how you can cut this out to make your own appliques. Okay, this is a lace applique that I made for the top part of this blouse. And I'm giving you an idea of what, this is several pieces that I actually put together to make this particular applique. Now I'm going to show you how I did it. What I did is I purchased this lace fabric from the local fabric store. And it has a stretch mesh fabric in between the little lace design. But what's nice about it is that it's a heavy enough lace that you can trim around it and you can get pretty close without worrying about it fraying because it's embroidered onto this lace fabric. So I cut all these little pieces out. Now this is the metallic lace fabric that I've already purchased, and I've already started to cut the trim or the flowers out to turn them into appliques that I'll be using for the garment. And what's nice about this is that you can follow the design of the flowers, or you can create your own design of the flowers and then lay it on whatever garment you decide to create with it. And it's very flexible, so you can twist it and you can turn it and reshape it for whatever you may need. Now the technique that I use to cut this floral or flowered lace from this fabric is I use Pelican Scissors. And what's nice about these scissors is that they allow you to get in close spots so that you can get as much of the excess fabric on the outside of the design as possible. And then what I did with those pieces, I laid them out in a design. And this design that I created with it. And all this is actually several pieces that had to be sewn on. And I continue that design around the back. And this is a separate piece too. And I'll show you how I did it. What I did here first is that, as I said, it's a separate piece. And I mashed it up and overlaid it here. But what I did, I actually going to sew this piece down here on the wrong side. And I'll pin it so you can get an idea. And see, this way I can keep that scalp design continuously. And then I'll continue to pin it around on the back part of the neck of the blouse. And you got to pull a little bit because it does have a little stretch to it. And I'm going to continue it all the way around until it meets the other side. Just to give you an idea of what it's going to look at. And we'll put a little hook on the back to close it.
Now for a closer look at the completed appliques. First the front. Notice that there's a
I'll give you a better closer look later.
That's going around the applique in the front, and this gives it more definition. Now notice here the sleeves. We added a piece of sheer fabric in between the lower part of the sleeve, and then we added on the applique, and it gives it more of an illusion look. And finally the sleeves in the front together. This has been Chris with Creations by Chris, and thanks for watching. And please share your DIY applique tricks down below. I'd love to hear from you, and so would other designers.